In this video, we are going to discuss on importance of protein in our diet. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in our body's growth and repair. For those who are physically active, want to lead a healthy lifestyle or lose weight, protein is especially important for them as it helps build and repair muscle tissue, and it also helps in several other body functions. The recommended daily intake of protein for adult is a minimum of 0.8 gram per kg body weight, but this can vary depending on factors such as age, sex and activity level. Thus, for an adult of 70 kg body weight, optimum protein requirement is 0.8 into 70, which is equal to 56 gram per day. Similarly, for an endurance athlete like a marathon runner will need around 1.3 gram per kg body weight. So for a 70 kg body weight, requirement will be 70 into 1.3, which is equal to 91 gram of protein. Similarly, for strength athlete, they need at least 1.8 gram per kg of body weight, which is equal to 70 into 1.8 comes around 126 gram of protein per day. Note here that you may restrict protein if you have a pre-existing uric acid or kidney problem. Consult a doctor or a nutritionist before starting a diet program. Here are some examples of foods which are high in protein. In non-veg, we have chicken, fish, eggs and other meats. Similarly, in dairy, we have paneer, curd, cheese, whey protein, etc. And in veg sources, we have soya, tofu, beans, nuts and seeds, etc. However, not all protein sources are created equal. Some sources of protein, such as red meat, can be high in saturated fat and cholesterol. Similarly, dal will have more carbs. Paneer and nuts will have more fats along with some protein. On the other hand, lean protein sources like chicken, egg white and fish can provide the necessary protein without adding extra fats or carbs. If you are having trouble getting enough protein through food alone, protein supplements like protein powder and shakes can be a convenient option. But no matter how you choose to get your protein, it is important to make sure that you are getting enough. Make sure to prioritize protein in your diet according to your goal. Animal-based protein such as meat, poultry, fish and dairy products are considered to be complete proteins as they contain all essential amino acids that body needs. Plant-based protein such as beans, lentil, nuts and seeds are often incomplete and may need to be combined with other protein sources to ensure adequate intake of all essential amino acids. To summarize, here are some of the important roles of protein in our diet. Tissue growth and repair. Proteins are building blocks of our body. They are required for the growth and repair of tissues such as muscle, skin, hair, nails and other organs. Enzyme production. Many enzymes in the body are made up of proteins. Enzymes play an important role in digestion, metabolism and other biological processes. Hormone production. Some hormones such as insulin and growth hormone are made of proteins. These hormones regulate various functions in the body such as blood sugar levels and growth. Immune function. Antibodies, which are proteins, play a vital role in the immune system. They help identify and neutralize foreign invaders such as bacteria and viruses. Weight loss. High protein diets are highly satiating, so they lead to reduced hunger and appetite compared to lower protein diets. This makes it easier to restrict calories on a high protein diet, thus helping in weight loss. Some people face digestion related problems when they increase protein in the diet. Most of the time, the problem here is not the protein intake, it is the less water and fiber intake in the diet. So keep your water intake 3.5 liter plus and veggies 500 gram plus for proper digestion of foods. Share this video if you have found it useful, and you may consider subscribing to my channel for similar content.